What's up, y'all? It's your girl Steph.net, and I am back with an easy, beginner-friendly 2-strand twist out. And if you want to see how I got these results, keep watching. Alright, y'all, so I'm starting off on an old wash ago that we're going to moisturize and turn into a twist out. I'm starting off with 3 sections, one in the back, one in the crown, and one in the top. The first product I'm going to go in with is the Takedown Naturals Curls La Vie Revitalizing Curl Mist, and this is one of my favorite refresher sprays because it's so lightweight. As you can see, it has a consistency of water but with so much more goodness in it. The main ingredients are hibiscus, slippery elm, aloe gel, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, honey, hydrolyzed silk protein. Like, it has so much goodness but none of the buildup. As you can see, my hair is super moisturized. It has slip. I'm able to detangle, and yeah, my hair is already looking good with just the refresher spray. The second product I'm going to go in with for even more moisture is the Earthborn Organics Kukui Hydration Cream. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know I absolutely love this product. Like, this is my favorite moisturizer, hands down. I mean, look at my hair. Just look at it. Like, I could say so many things about this moisturizer, but it's literally one of my favorite products. Now that I've layered my moisture products, I'm going to go ahead and seal it in with the Curls Dynasty Organic Oil Blend. And this was my first time using it, but I really actually liked it. It gave me shine, but it wasn't greasy, and it didn't make my face greasy, which I was nervous about because the first ingredient was olive oil, and me and olive oil usually don't get along, but I really like this oil. Alright, so now that we got that moisture on lock, it's time to go in with our styler. And here I'm using the Takedown Naturals Curls La Vie Curling Jelly. And generally I just use a cream product and call it a day, but I've seen a lot of Type 4 naturals adding a gel on top of their cream, and I just wanted to see how I like the results if I got more hold and definition with the gel. Now, a tip with 2-strand twisting is to make sure your hair is fully detangled. I like to go through with the 3-row comb and then smooth the hair out before I start twisting. And this is where I feel like using a gel actually came in handy. Although it's a lightweight gel, I felt like it helped keep my hair smooth and detangled as I was twisting. If your hair does start to retangle or you feel any lumps or bumps as you're twisting, go back in with the comb or brush or whatever you're using and re-detangle it out and just continue to smooth your hair as you are twisting. That is like the biggest tip that I could give, because a lot of times people do twist and when they first take them out, it looks good, like it's defined, but if it wasn't detangled correctly and it wasn't smoothed out correctly when you were twisting, as soon as you start separating, you will know, because it will not separate at all and it just turns into a frizzy mess. So my last tip for twisting is to make sure you part your hair the way you want it to be. Do not try to part it later. As you can see, I already have my side part going on, and that's how I'm going to set my hair in the front. Alright, so it's time for the moment of truth. Like I said earlier, when you first take that twist out, it's going to be looking defined, but the separation is the true test. So what I like to do is tug on them a little bit just to loosen them up, and then I run my fingers down them. I do have some of the organic oil blend on my hands, and as they start to break up, I like to twirl each section I separate around my finger just to cut down on some of the frizz. You're going to get some frizz because it's inevitable, but if you detangle correctly, as you can see, it will start to come apart on its own. And yeah, I'm gonna just be quiet and let y'all watch this takedown process, because I feel like this is the part that really gets people in the end. Now, my last tip for real is to honestly just take your time. I know it could be time consuming, but it's definitely worth it in the end. Just put on some music, and this is your self-care time to put some time into yourself and have yourself looking good. So put some music on and just enjoy the process.
Every time the beat drop, I'ma stay in the game until I fall off. First I lean, grab a ball, and then I pop with it.
What the hell? What is wrong with you? You be thinking you funny. Damn, what is you crawling on the floor for?
I literally got here and just got myself down on the knee.
You need to be slapped. You do that on purpose.